everyone, this is Chahat Singh and again welcome back to my channel. Here I am after many days back with another video. In this video I want to share my experience when I was in class 9th. So already as you know that I am finally promoted to class 10th. So here I am in front of you all, will share my experience when I was in class 9th. Let me clear one thing very firstly, that it was my new school. Like I changed my school after class 8th. So in 9th it was my newest school and the rules are new for me, the friends are new for me, the teachers are new for me. So how I adopt with with all of things, all of the stuffs. So at the first day it was I was a new student, so on that time I was feeling a little bit nervous that the rules are new for me, how I will adopt with all of that, how I will follow the rules and all of that. Will I get that much guidance from the teachers? I will get understand the topics from the teachers, that teacher will teach me, and all the things were coming in my mind. So on the first day it was a very nervous day. Like I was very nervous of making friends. After many days I got too much comfortable with my friends, and my teachers are also very supportive towards my studies, academics, and anything you will ask them, they will teach, they will definitely tell something about that. They will give you extra knowledge about academics, and this is the best thing that I am seeing in this school. So I'm not promoting my school that my GT Global school is very good. I'm just sharing my experience, what I have felt in this whole 1 year. Okay, my maths teacher, he's very good teacher, he's excellent teachers. I have never seen this type of teacher who will be friend with you. Whenever you need a friend, he will be there for you. Whenever you will need a guidance, he will guide you. Whenever you will need any support from academics, he will there for you. So he is the best class teacher that I have seen. Okay, his name is Anit Shukla sir. Okay, let's give some respect to him. He's very good teacher. And when it was my last day of class 9, so on that time I was hoping, I was like finger crossed that, oh please, he should become my class 10th class teacher. So I was hoping that he should be my class 10th class teacher, and finally it happened. A very good thing that he is my class 10th class teacher, and I am very happy. And yeah, this is all about the friends and the teachers. Let's talk about academics. So like I have promoted to a newer school, so it was very different for me to adopt some rules, some the teaching style of teachers are different for me. So it took time for me to accept, to adopt in that environment. So yeah, the things that I was expecting from myself, I did not get that much thing that I have expected from myself in academics. But like it was class 9th, so it was my downfall also, guys, in academics. And but I accept it. I will improve it in class 10th. I will give my best. Like if the things has happened, what we can do? We cannot do anything. The past has gone. Like let it be now. You can do whatever you want, and you can change the future. It is in your hands. Okay, so I will do better in class 10th. I'm not motivating. It is very a knowledge thing. I'm just telling you, like I'm sharing my experience. I have did not much better that I was expecting from myself. I did not do that in class 9, but in class 10 I will try my best to do that in class 10th. And yeah, this is all about my experience. It was a very good experience in class 9th, and we made a very good memory with my friends. My academics was also good. I enjoyed the class 9 very much, and this is all about this video. Now I'm in class 10th, and I'm doing best. Whatever I can do in the starting of the class 10th, now I am doing best because it's April of month. And yeah, this is all about this video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, be happy, keep smiling, stay healthy, and thanks for watching.